Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to activate and use the shape-shifting filter in the TikTok app. So let's go to this application, and right now we are on our profile page where we have to go to the Discover section to find and to look for our needful shapeshift filter. So when we are on this page, we need to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and to set the shapeshift filter text here on this search bar. I did it, and right now, as you can see, we have a lot of different videos. Of course, we have another options like shape-shifting filter, shape-shifting effect, but we can only choose the first video because this effect is so popular. And right now, as you can see, we have the edit option, the edit inscription shapeshift. Let's pick on this tag one time. And right now we got access to the shapeshift filter. As you can see, this filter, this effect has icon like this one. So to don't lose this effect, let's save it after tapping on the Add Favorites icon. And let's click on it on the red, use this effect button at the bottom of the screen to try this effect. Remember that this filter can help you to transform into another person, choosing the needful photo from your gallery. So let's click on this button. And later we can choose the needful picture from the gallery, as I said, using the appeared list at the top. So I will click on this photo, and right now when I will tap on this red central button, my face will transform into the face of this person. So let's check it. I will click on this red central button, and this is my face. Perfect. Let's check it after tapping on the check mark. And as you can see, my face transformed into the face of my friend. So guys, this is that perfect effect. If you want to choose it, if you want to save it, do it on your device. And right now I will tap on the next feature here to save this created TikTok to the draft section or to post it to our profile page. I will choose this first option, drafts. And so let's go to our profile page after clicking on the arrow. I want to pick on the profile, as I said, and refresh this page. Later, let's pick on the draft section here. And this is our newly created TikTok with this super effect. So guys, right now I hope that you know how to use this shapeshift feature, and you can create funny and cool TikToks on your device. Don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on TikTok and also on YouTube. And good luck!